Hey there, Jackie here. And you know what? I want to back it up a little bit and talk about why you would even want to make a quiz in the first place. How does this even work? So, at a very high level, what you want to do is create a quiz on a topic that your ideal customer, the people that you want to start working with, get in front of, collect emails for, that you want to start following you want to create a quiz on a topic that they are super interested in. Because if they're super interested in the topic, they're going to take your quiz. If they take your quiz and they get through all of your quiz questions, you're going to be able to use those questions to follow up with those people based on things that you now know about them. And then after they answer those questions, they're going to be able to subscribe. So this is where they add their email, add their name, whatever other information that you're looking to collect on that opt-in form. And then that information is passed directly to, so yes, right after they take the quiz, once you set up your tech with the Interact system, that leads information is sent directly to your email marketing system so that you can email them along with the email. So the first name, the email, whatever you're collecting from that opt-in form, you're also able to segment or tag that lead with the way that they're answering certain quiz questions or the way that or rather the result that they're getting from your quiz. So that again, when you send these emails, you can get more effective in the messaging or more personal. You can align with what it is that this person in your audience really wants. If you have any other questions on a quiz, if a quiz is right for you right now, if you want to start exploring different quizzes out there that you might be able to share with your audience, head on over to the Interact website. And let me just move Zoom controls. Right here, you can book a strategy call with me or anyone on the team. Simply click here and choose the date and time that you are available. And then we also have, I'm going to go to the resource section and click on quiz course. This you can start diving into right away. You don't even need to be on a plan to start taking the course, but this will walk you through first your market research. So what is it that, well, I guess rather first, who is it that you're trying to market to or target or get on your list or start talking to? And then what is it that they're super interested in? What do they want to know? What's the big question that they want answered so that you can make your big quiz idea or set your idea for your quiz and then follow through the course to really write this out. We also have, I want to scroll actually right here, quiz templates. If you're already on the course, you can find it here. Or if you scroll down to the bottom of our website, you'll see templates. Click on this and we have hundreds and hundreds, and we're still making more of quiz templates that you can use exactly as they are, or you can change them up and really customize them to your liking. So all of the quiz templates that we have are organized by industry here. Take a few, get the experience, see what it's like, see if that's something that you think you'd be comfortable offering to your audience or that you think your audience would have fun taking. Or simply click right here, find your perfect quiz template, take our quiz, Interact's quiz on which template you should use. And at the end of this, we will surface templates that we've already written that we think would be a really great fit for you, your business, and your audience. So again, any questions, pop over to the Interact website, hit book a strategy call and come talk to us. But that, my friends, is at a high level what a quiz can do for your business and how you can start generating leads.